In the 296's driver-oriented cockpit, there's a wide range of features and controls that both the driver and the passenger can utilize. To start, you can navigate through all of the 296's menus using the crosshair touchscreen and return icon located on the right-hand side of the steering wheel. To move left, right, up, and down, swipe on the crosshairs. When you want to make a selection, tap in the center of the crosshairs. When you want to return to the main menu or go back to a previous menu, tap the return icon. If you want to go all the way back to the main menu, press and hold on the return icon. Let's start by connecting your phone to your new 296. Turn your 296 on by tapping and holding the engine start-stop button for 2 seconds. The 296 will power on, but not start. From here, you should see a menu on the right-hand side of the digital dashboard. There will be 5 options: Vehicle, Audio, Navigation, Phone, and Settings. We will dive into each of these menu options, but for now let's navigate to the Phone menu. Swipe down on the crosshair touchscreen on your steering wheel until the Phone menu option is highlighted in red. Tap the center of the crosshair touchscreen on your steering wheel to select the Phone menu. A new menu will appear on the right-hand side of the digital dashboard. Tap the center of the crosshair to hit OK, and tap again to select Add Device. Select Search by tapping the center of the crosshairs on your steering wheel. Now, on your phone, go to your Bluetooth settings, turn on Bluetooth, and scroll to the bottom of the page where it says Other Devices. Ferrari 296 GTB or Ferrari 296 GTS should now appear on your phone's Bluetooth menu. Tap on Ferrari 296 GTB or Ferrari 296 GTS to begin pairing. A 6-digit code will appear on both your phone and the pairing menu on your 296's digital dashboard. Make sure the code matches, and then tap Pair on your phone, and select Connect on the pairing menu. Another pop-up will appear asking if you'd like to sync favorites and contacts. If you want to utilize the hands-free phone feature to its fullest extent, we recommend that you allow your 296 to sync with your favorites and contacts. If pairing an iPhone, a pop-up will appear at the bottom of the screen asking if you wish to enable CarPlay for this newly paired device. Tap Allow. After tapping Allow on your phone, you should now see the CarPlay menu on your digital dashboard. You can navigate through the CarPlay menu by using the same crosshair touchscreen on your steering wheel. To exit the CarPlay menu, tap and hold on the return icon. Now that your phone is connected, let's get some music playing. Navigate to the Audio menu by swiping down on the crosshair touchscreen until Audio is highlighted in red. Tap in the center of the crosshairs to open the Audio menu. By default, FM radio will be selected. If you wish to change your audio source, tap the center of the crosshairs again. A small pop-up will appear on the lower left-hand side of the menu that reads Source. Tap on the center of the crosshairs again to open up the Source selection menu. Once open, swipe up or down on the crosshairs to select your audio source. For this example, we will select Apple CarPlay. Now your Bluetooth device is connected and will play audio through your 296's JBL sound system. To turn the volume up or down, locate the scroll wheel on the back left-hand side of the steering wheel, just below the turn signals. Scroll up to turn the volume up, and scroll down to turn the volume down. To skip to the next song or switch radio channels, locate the switch on the back right-hand side of the steering wheel, just below the right turn signal. Flip the switch up to skip forwards a track or move up through the radio channels, and flip down to skip backwards a track or move down through the radio channels. Utilizing the same navigation methods we have discussed, you can sift through the heaps of information and features your 296 GTB or 296 GTS has. There is an in-depth vehicle menu where you can see tire temperature in PSI, engine temperature, oil temperature, and a slew of other data points. The navigation menu allows for you to input a location and calculates a route for you via SatNav. And the settings menu houses all of the adjustments you may need to make to optimize your experience in your 296 GTB or 296 GTS. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, we can locate the mirror controls, the parking cameras and sensor controls, the low beam lights and auto lights on-off buttons, and the ride height adjustment settings. To adjust a mirror, tap on the corresponding mirror icon in the lower left or right corner of the crosshair touchscreen. Once selected, that mirror icon will be highlighted in orange, letting you know that you are adjusting that mirror. To adjust your mirror, simply press and hold the directional crosshair in the direction that your mirror needs adjustment. The vertical crosshairs adjust the mirror up and down, and the horizontal crosshairs will move the mirror left or right. Once adjusted to your liking, tap the orange mirror icon to deselect it and prevent any accidental adjustments. To manually fold or unfold the mirrors in, tap the icon on the top left corner of the crosshair touchscreen. To turn your low beam lights on, tap the low beam icon. To turn your low beam lights off, simply tap the same icon again. The same process applies to the auto headlights feature. Tap once to turn them on, and again to turn it off. By tapping the parking camera icon, two camera angles will appear on your digital dashboard. One angle shows the rear view camera, and the other shows a bird's eye view of your 296, allowing you to safely park like a pro in any situation. To turn the parking sensor on or off, simply tap the icon just below the parking camera icon. To adjust your ride height, simply tap on the ride height icon located on the far right-hand side of the touchscreen. Tap the icon once to raise your 296's front suspension, and tap it again to lower your 296's front suspension. To the right of the steering wheel and digital dash, you can locate the climate controls. To increase the temperature, tap the red plus until you have reached your desired temperature. To decrease the temperature, tap the blue minus until you have reached your desired temperature. Your new temperature will appear on the lower right-hand side of your digital dashboard. To increase fan speed, tap the larger fan icon on the right side of the screen. To decrease fan speed, tap the smaller fan icon on the left side of the screen. To turn on the front and rear window vents, which are primarily used for defrosting, tap the corresponding icons on the far left and right side of the row of icons located at the top of the screen. To turn on or off automatic fan speeds that correlate with the selected temperature, tap the auto icon. To adjust which vents are blowing air, tap the icon that looks like a person sitting. As you tap the icon, you will see arrows start to appear, pointing at different regions of the body and car, indicating which vents are blowing air. To turn your fans on or off, press and hold the smaller fan icon on the left side of the screen. The passenger's display, located in front of the passenger seat in the dashpad, allows your co-driver to take the helm and assist you so that you can keep your eyes on the road. The passenger can control their own climate controls, adjust their own seat, see the tachometer, adjust audio settings like track and volume, view navigation, change their screen brightness between day and night, and turn the screen off. The 296 GTB and 296 GTS utilizes a plethora of innovative features and technology to make your driving experience one of a kind, and once you've fine-tuned your interior to your needs, there's nothing left between you and the open road.